Kreepers! What's up, you crazy creeps? It is Clearski, and I am back. And today we are doing a little trail creeping. We are actually on the right off of the Springwater corridor, which runs from southeast Portland all the way to, gosh, I believe Sandy, Oregon, maybe farther. And these trails are actually these back trails here kind of sit adjacent to the main trail, and we're gonna just do a little creeping. I know there's a pond up a ways, and we're just gonna do a little nature creeping. If you guys hear that, they're doing some kind of construction over there, probably cleaning up from the storm still. But I said, heck it, it's a beautiful, beautiful day today, and so we're just gonna kind of creep around on these back trails and see where they take us. So stay tuned, it's gonna be a fun one, kind of like a nature vlog. Like I said, we're just gonna enjoy nature today. It's absolutely beautiful. So we're just gonna kind of take it easy and do a little trail creeping. Nice little lookout space here onto the water. Hi, buddy. Oh, you're sweet. What's your name? You're cute. You want to be on the vlog? Have a good day, brother. All right, we made it to the pond here. This is Benford Lake. You can see it's full of ducks. And there's also some other little creatures that call this place home. I think there's some turtles. And there's also, gosh, I think there's what are they called? Not muskrats. Maybe this little placard over here will tell us a little bit more here. But right now there's a ton of ducks out there too, but let's check this out. Awesome. So they put this little placard in here for us. Looks like turtles. Oh, that's what I was thinking. Nutria. So nutria, and of course ducks. And then it also gives some really cool info here. A lot on turtles. It says more than a nap in the sun, basking at least 6-hour day is crucial for turtle survival, giving them heat. Oh, giving them the heat their bodies lack to digest food, fight disease, and incubate eggs. So it's more than just a suntan. It also says controlling invasives is a race against time. They return and multiply every year. The more to control, the more it costs taxpayers. As of 2005, over $130 billion is spent annually in the USA to control invasives. One little turtle, one big problem. While it seems harmless to release pet turtles such as red-eared sliders into the wild, these non-natives out-compete native turtles for food and shelter. At Benford Lake, there is an ongoing battle to keep out the sliders so the native turtles can survive. Population of native turtles are declining. Non-native turtles are endangering them even more. So if you do have a turtle, this wouldn't be the place. And let's check out what it says here on the nutria. It says nutria, acute problem. Prolific breeders with Voracious appetites nutria devastates wetlands. These South American rodents carry disease and devour native plants that filter pollutants from our drinking water and provide food and shelter for native wildlife. So, as cute as you may think they are, I guess they are a nuisance, huh? Huh. Devastation caused from nutria-devouring plants and tunneling into the bank. So you can see there, they've done quite the job. And it also says feeding wildlife harms native species more than it helps. Makes them too fat to fly, so they became targets. Causes food fights. Ducks break beaks and legs during these fights. Aw, so bread and cereal is like giving them junk food. They need plants and nutrients. And there's plenty of them here for them to eat. So quite the information. That's pretty cool. And let's go check it out, see if we might be able to see any of these guys. So this is the Benford Lake Pond, but where we're headed is actually Benford Lake Park. So I think I got it confused at first how these kind of went, but I thought it was pretty cool that they all kind of connect back onto the main, like I said, the main Springwater Trail. And you know, all throughout here, just a ton of wildlife. And I love these bridges, actually. I think this is what makes it so great, where you actually walk across these wooden bridges with the water. It's awesome. Oh, cool. This is cool. With the little dam. It's very cool. Hi, buddy. Oh, you're just a puppy, too. I'm pretty. You guys have a good day. I always love hearing the sound of that. Waterfalls, very peaceful. One of these times we're going to actually get up to Multnomah Falls, which is pretty far east from here. About an hour in the car and go see Multnomah Falls, but to have that right here, pretty awesome. Doesn't look too deep. All right, we made it to the actual park. Oh, there's a good amount of people out. That was nice seeing all those cute doggies too. Always good to see other folks out and about. There's a good amount of people. We're going to look at some ducks and some other little bits of nature here, so it's a good day so far. Wow, a bunch of you today. I was informed not to feed you anymore. Alright, so we're leaving the park. That was definitely a good little journey. I'm building up a little appetite here. I'm gonna get me a bite to eat. Again, as the sign states here, please do not feed the ducks. It can make them sick or less able to care for themselves. But that's a sad duck. Poor guy. Thanks so much for always tuning in. I love you guys very much. If you enjoyed this vlog, give it a thumbs up. You can ring that bell. That way when I creep, you guys will be the first to creep. Creeper out for now. Peace.